You see how it works?
I know how it works.
Yeah. So that's how it works. That's how it works. You show me this much hate against one individual human, I will universally, karmically mess you up. So show me the badge if you want me off. No, you have to show me the name. Bro, you're lying then, so I can sit right back down.
Do you have a bag you want to grab or anything before you get off?
Don't attack me with two individuals against one. I didn't hit anyone, so you're fucking than you did. Yeah, it's okay. Raising my voice to a female, I'll see about it with you, kike.
With what?
You as a kike human, and it's because I'm sitting down and I'm lower than you. Yeah, I'm sitting down and because I'm sitting down lower. You want to be a tough guy, bro?
Just get off of me.
I'm moving. Hey, you know what and suck? No, it's all y'all teaming up. You see how most of the people are white here? Yeah, so you were like,
Get him off the plane, Jesus God.
I'm trying to get to my home country, and you all people made it harder for me to get to my home country. I'm telling you. No. And this white-haired guy is taking.
No one's acting up.
Yeah, no. You don't get to come into my country. It doesn't matter that I'm what I was about to say.
Your home does not matter.
Your home will not matter. How's that? And we don't team up. There's that many people commenting in one ear. But you are. She said it. You said it. You're all. But you're white. And you all are white teaming up against my ears. You don't care. Okay, then you don't care. You don't care. I'm not talking until these videotapes get off beat. That's not the point. No. I don't like drama. Don't. I don't know why you're laughing. Yeah, frustrating. What are you gonna beat that?
Hey.
Okay. Are you gonna choke me?
No, we're not gonna have that fight. We're gonna go here.
Hey, I didn't get in your face. You told me to get out. I would take it.
Let's go. Hey, he's gonna stop. Hey, 3-1-1.
You got it, guys? You got it? Put your hands down and don't touch anybody. Put your hands down and don't touch anybody. So am I. You're gonna walk or you're gonna be late?
We have a couple law enforcement on board.
Walk. Turn around and walk.
Let's go. I need airport.
Walk.
Let's go.
Get off.
Yeah, get him
Do they have a cop on the way? Do they have a cop?
The female causes problems. I'm telling you, brother. The female causes problems. I'm telling you.
I'm gonna pray for you.
The female caused the problem. I'm telling you the truth. I would like my hands released. I would like my hands released. I would like my hands released.
Come this way.
I would like my.
Have fun, he's at the end.
Thank you for coming.
Good.
Police are here, so just comply and we'll work out, all right, my man?
As long as there's a lawyer for me.
You'll definitely be legal, sis. Legal act.
All right.
Hey, stand up.
Wait. Go over. You can help me. Go over. Bend your knees. No.
Come up to your knees. Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Get up. Okay, let's go.
Hey, my shoe.
Yeah, just stay put for a second. Do you want to see what happened? I'll take him up.
My shoe.
Yeah, let's see what happened.
And I'll defend it.
Let's go.
I'll defend it as long as I have a lawyer.
Okay, let's go.
Make sure I have a lawyer. Have you watched? My name is Khan. Have you watched the movie? Have you seen it? You heard about it?
Make way.
for an innocent.
James, ready to go that side door? That's the truck
for
door.
innocent civilians. I'll remember this. I didn't harm anyone first. I got harmed first. These are you changes. You called these cops?
Go.
Go.
Get out.
Go, get out of the way.
Get out of the way.
Move. Yep. Hey.
Yeah.
Hold on. Put your shoe on.
Yeah.
Fix those cuffs. Lean against the wall. Spread your feet.
I want a lawyer. I want a lawyer right now. I want a lawyer. I have money to back. All right.
Other side. All right, you got it. Do one first. Yeah, spin them around.
I want my public defender right now. I want my public defender right now. Wait, why are you twisting my arm? Okay. A little more.
Hey, you resist, man. It's gonna get worse.
I'm not even resisting, man. So, you hurt me. Oh!
Easy, buddy. You're hurting yourself.
No, I'm not. There's human touching me that are hurting me.
You sit on the lounge.
Further back.
hallway.
Turn your wrist. Turn your wrist.
This was my parents' idea of moving me, you know that, right? I told them I would love to, and now this is what your airport does? I'm taking you to the Supreme Court. I'll tell you that much, kiddos. Taking you all cops to the Supreme Court.
Face the wall. Face the wall. Spread your feet.
Guys.
Spread your feet.
I'm spreading it, guys. More. I'm spreading it. I'm spreading it.
This cuff's all jacked.
Public defendant. Indian public defendant, please.
What's up, Mike? You guys, we got enough guys here. Somebody. All right, let's walk.
Right, let's walk nicely, okay?
Whoa, why are you telling me how to walk? I thought this is freedom of speech country, and I did not violently hit someone before me. Okay, so innocent don't mess with Jesus says that. Don't mess with innocent.
You have a
I'm telling you, don't mess with it.
California license plate, driver's license.
But I have a what and what? Yeah, good for you. You're a fan of me. I see it. You're a fan of me. When you embarrass me this much, you're a fan of me. I don't know what you're talking about, bro. What are you trying to say about my wallet?
31.
Please move out of the way. Move out of the way. Move.
At least one time in Congress 79. 10-4. 1732.
I need some water.
Detained.
I need some water.
Yeah, it's all it is.
Dogs out there to get an agency. Let them know. 10-4 will be. We're just being up to 15.
So you have a California driver's license, but your address is on
Is in Florida.
But you have a California driver's license.
That's right, and I'm also a USA naturalized citizen.
So do you
And will you add that part? Will you add that part? What you
Do
say?
you live in California or do you?
No. The address says Florida on it. Look, read it right. Read it the right way.
I just want to see if you were violating the United States.
No, I'm saying I got hit. I got hit by one of those. I got hit by one of those.
Okay. Just trying to clarify.
Air guests of the airplane. I'll tell you that much.
I want to check his socks. I want to check his feet first.
Yeah.
Make sure there's nothing in his socks.
Pull off your.
Move forward.
Belt. I want to
Kick your shoes off.
Oh,
Kick your shoes off.
Yeah, I will if you let it go. Take off your shoes. Yeah.
I got it.
Bend your leg back.
What?
Bend this leg back.
Hi. Kurt, we get some
off. Do you want to step off?
No, it doesn't matter. So what exactly happened?
So we were standing here boarding. We start to hear yelling down the jet bridge. We can't step off once we have passengers on. So people were like, hey, that guy's screaming back there. He's yelling curse words. He's yelling at some lady, blah, blah, blah. Comes on, angry, gets
We don't know who this person is yet.
They are in lockdown. You can call on them. They got on, started talking to her, getting in her face, pointing at her, just like, you guys, what do you say? You're so disrespectful. And
I said, what? I go, what is this about? Now we're figuring out who it is.
Yeah.
It's always the problem. They treat me differently. They look at me. People with skin like you. Your kind of skin. And then he points to the captain in your skin. He's pointing to the captain. He goes, it's always you that look at me funny. And you this and you that. And then he turned the corner. He goes, and they tell me, they just assume that this is my father. And so I didn't think the guy was with him. The guy that's supposedly his father. And he walked away from his dad and just beelined up the... It was the weirdest thing. I said, wait a minute, we gotta find out. So now passengers are coming over after him going, he's not well. Something's wrong with him.
Yeah.
He was literally almost getting with him.
yeah, he just cursed and jumbled all the way up the aisle to row 30.
I don't know how we got past the gate entrance.
He's causing a ruckus over here, right?
Yeah, he made it all the way back, just kind of screaming and yelling, and then I was like, alright, I'm gonna go ask him to get off. I got back there and he was already in his seat. Once I got back there, people were already starting to come forward because the whole time he was getting into his seat, he was yelling and cursing.
What's your phone number? So basically, from what you two said, you got alerted while boarding. People were boarding, saying, "Hey, there's a guy back there."
We could hear screaming. We just didn't know who.
And it was in the jet bridge. It was in the jet bridge. And then he came up here. He started with her, but then continued down the aisle.
Yeah.
And as
then
he was
I
going,
followed.
Okay. And when you followed, what happened?
I followed. I asked him to get off. He told me no. I asked probably 3 or 4 times, and then at that point I was like, okay, I need help, so I went to her.
Okay. And then that was basically it.
Pretty much it until other people started getting involved.
So then how did he get off? The other passengers started getting involved? Other passengers?
So how do you know him?
He's my son.
Okay. Do you know what was going on with him? Do you know why he was so angry?
I have no idea when we entered.
Were you on the plane with him or not?
I was together.
Okay.
All the way.
So can you tell me what happened?
Just when we inside, when we went inside, somehow on the back, something, they talked about it, and then maybe he got little...
Talked about what?
How can I say it? Maybe something related to racism or something.
Oh, directed toward him?
Something like that. He must have heard about it, and then he just got into argument.
Okay.
And then he went inside, and then again he got into argument with somebody on the same issue, and then air hostess came.
Were you with him when this happened?
All the time.
Okay. Had a few drinks? Okay, alright. Any idea, has this happened before?
Never.
Never? Okay. Just happened one time?
This is the first time.
Okay, well, he is being arrested right now for battery because he did strike somebody in here. They're taking his stuff off the plane and they're going to put it in baggage here, okay, at the airport here. So when he gets out of jail, he can come get his stuff at the baggage office if it's open. Because I understand this is an international flight, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have a connecting flight going.
Okay. All right. Do you have a driver's license? Thank you. Thank you for clearing that up. It's good to know a little bit more to the story.
Yeah, but he didn't, hit the person first. The person actually pushed him first.
Well, they asked him to leave. They asked him to leave numerous times on the plane.
Yeah, that is their own.
Because he was yelling and screaming, and he wouldn't leave. And they asked the captain, and the gentleman on the jet bridge went on and asked him to leave as well. He wouldn't leave, so they had to escort him off. And that's when it got physical.
Yeah, other passenger hit him first, so that's why I think it got worse. I have my baggage, I can pick it up?
No. Just his bags, I believe.
Oh, so my bag...
Are you still flying?
I have to at least see what happens to him.
He's going to Orient Road Jail. He's going to jail. He's going to Orient Road Jail. And you can try to post bond for him there. You could try to bail him out, post bond at Orient Road Jail. You could call a bondsman, a bail bondsman. You know how that works? Do you know how that works? How bail bondsman? He's going to go to jail. He has to bond out of jail if he wants to get out. And somebody has to pay money to make sure that he goes to court in the future to get him released from jail. If he doesn't post bond, is what they call it, then he stays in jail. It's up to you. He could post bond himself. He has probably a wallet, cell phone with him. He could post his own bond, or you can do it for him. So.
Give me a shoe. You put that shoe on. Put a sock in his pocket. Shoe back on.
Bend this like that.
This one, James. Sound good? Alright, good. Put your other shoe back on. Just put him in his pocket. And we made sure that we was good on all. Yep. That's my ticket. I'm not using that ticket. Get that ticket back to me. I had a flight ticket to my home car. Sit down. Turn around. Louder Bluetooth. Watch your head. Olsen. Let me call Gina. I don't even know.